Today I will be talking about learning and optimization robotic use cases. My name is Nuno Lau, as you already know, and I am a researcher at the Institute of Electronics and Informatics Engineering of Aveiro, and I teach at the University of Aveiro. So the outline of my presentation, I will start by a brief presentation of myself and of the city and the university and the research institute in which I work. And then I will motivate the scope of using learning and optimization in robotics. And then, as the title of the presentation says, I will go through several of our works that involve robotics and learning and optimization. And I will take these as use cases. And we will have a use case that is concerned with gesture recognition. Then a more theoretical work on machine learning, in which we have proposed an update rule for batch reinforcement learning called the key batch update rule. Then we will talk about multi-context optimization, which is very important, and we also had some quite important contributions and very nice results in this scope. Another problem that is very important is to offer interfaces with machines or with robots that are adapted to the user, and this is especially important when you are dealing with handicapped people. And I will show you also how can you mix learning and optimization with the offering or automating the development of adaptive interfaces. We will also talk about multi-agent communication learning, in which we will check how one proposal, an algorithm that can learn not only the coordination of the multi-agent system, but also what the agents should tell each other. So the communication will be learned in tabula rasa without any inputs from the developer. The final use case is on behavior development using deep learning, and then we will have the conclusion. So starting with the presentation, I think all of you know that Portugal is a West European country, and I come from Aveiro, which is that town that you see over there. So this is Lisbon, this is Oporto, and Aveiro is about 70 kilometers from Porto and 250 kilometers from Lisbon. It is a nice middle-sized city town with some water channels, some nice and picturesque houses, and quite close to the beach, which is also quite interesting. The University of Aveiro is quite young.